This makes sense to you? Well, it will. I've got to go get the metal, but this is the beginning of this video. We're going to make that right there. What we're doing in this video is making a tow bar plate for a 2013 Jeep Wrangler. I'm going to show you how I made the pattern in this video for that, plus there'll be some other stuff at the end. All right. Can you see this part right here? Maybe I'll zoom in editing. Right here is what we got to build something that fits this. And I'm not going to show you doing all that. I'll cut in and out. But we're going to make a pattern, measure everything, make a pattern that comes down here, and then I can bolt on my other stuff right here in the middle. It'll come down to be an ear. Come down here, then we'll put an ear on it and run everything across there. But we got to get the bolt holes, the metal size and all that now. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll show you what after. Okay guys, here we are. Hey, what we're going to do is make a template of this whole thing here, so I know what I got to get for metal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it. If you want to do a crossword puzzle while I do this, that's okay, you can do one. But here we go. So I'm going to stick this up in here, and we're going to trim, we're going to figure out. Okay, would have been nice to brought a pen down here with me. I'm going to trim some of this off. We don't need it that long. All right, we're going to stick that right here and take it up to even with there. Don't need to go no further. Now then, I'm going to show you a little something here. You see this ball peen hammer? Now then, we're going to try and find, keep that on there, right where I want it. Matter of fact, we got tape down here. We're going to put some tape on it. Okay, let's see how wide we need it, and we'll trim her down a little bit. Looks like about to there. So we can get it a little easier to work with. Cut that right down. Don't worry guys, if I screw up, I have the other side of this cereal box. Oh, I'm sorry, screwed that up, can't do that. All right, now then we're gonna just leave that long. I'm gonna put a piece of tape on here, right there, right around there to hold that in place while I do what I'm gonna do. And I'll show you what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, take this piece up. It's going to be lined up with that piece, just like so. And put this big old piece of tape on it right here. That'll hold her in there nice, supposedly. Now then, we got to find the holes. Well, there's one right there. Right there. Now I'm going to take my little finger. Look at there. Found that hole. How easy was that, guys? Now then, we're going to go down here. We got another one. Let's see, about right here. The main thing is don't let it slip. Because if you mess up, then none of the holes are going to line up. That one still lines. That one still lines. Got one more. And it's right about there. Okay. Line these up again. Yep. Right there. Okay. Got it. Okay, now that's how we're going to make this piece of metal. She's going to come down here, and then we're going to bring it out this way. So, but we know approximately, let's get a width on it. Get our holes lined up, make sure they're all lined up. And now we're going to go up here and do this part. Then we'll know exactly. Oop, keep it lined up. know exactly what we got. There you go. Now I'll cut this out, pull out these, and you're going to see that that fits. I'm really sorry about messing up your puzzle there, guys. Hope you got your own cereal box. Well, I'll get a razor blade and trim that because I don't want to distort that hole any. And that one's an elongated hole. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to trim off this edge right here, because we don't need it any bigger than that. We can if we want. Depends on the size of metal I buy. And you know I'm going to try not to buy new metal. Old metal works just as good and it's a lot cheaper. So we're just going to cut that right up like that. There we go. So this here, we don't know what we're going to do with that, but that fits there, there, and there. All three holes there. We got it. I'm going to take it to the other side, make sure it works over there, and then if we do, all we got to do is figure out what we want to do coming out this way. So I got a couple ideas. Okay, but here, let me check this side, make sure she's the same. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to feel it because I don't got a light on this side. Give me my light. You can't see me anyway. Are you even working? Are you working? Yeah, you're working. All right. Oh boy. Oh man. I don't care what they say. Getting old is not golden. There ain't no damn thing about it golden. All right, we're gonna see if that fits. That fits. Yeah, okay. We can use the same plate for both sides. So now all we gotta do, oh, it did warm up out here. It's 50 now. I took my coat off. Oh man. All right, guys, let me get you down here where you can see me, or something. Okay. Oh, help me, I'm falling. You know, I can't get up. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, I'm back up a bit here and you can see me. Okay. Do you see this? We got a perfect bolt hole diagram. I just got to figure out how far I want to come down with this. And it looks like I can use plate about that thick right there to come straight down if I want. But I think I might use angle iron, bolt this on here, bring angle iron down here, then I got something to bolt the cross brace on. But that's all they use on theirs is $400. So let's see if we can make this a little cheaper. But that's that. I'm gonna get the measurements on it. We'll go get the metal, but that's how I'm gonna do it. Now we're gonna, like I said, that'll be bolted up right there. Get you over here a bit. Bolted up right there. Then we bring a cross brace right across there so we can bolt up that other part I showed you earlier. Is that simple enough for you guys? Easy to make. You can do this on anything if you want to make a pattern. I mean, the ball peen hammer, I mean, I was taught that little trick by a mechanic. Holy smokes. When I was 16, you do the math. I'm 72 now, so I known that a long time. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm gonna, this may be not a long enough video. Probably cut it here, and then when we get some metal, we'll show you the rest of this. Thank you for watching. You know what to do. Subscribe and, oh hell, now I gotta figure out how to get back up. Oh wow. See y'all later. I'm gonna cut the camera here. You don't need to see this. See ya.